So this is my handbag, and I've bought my breakfast before leaving for work. See my breakfast. That's my birthday breakfast, and this madam is already eating it. See. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing good. Okay, I want you guys to spend this day with me. This is my birthday. The day started with my husband asking me to escort him, and he got me food from a restaurant. So instead of cooking, I had like a special breakfast, and you can see I was really enjoying the food, just demolishing it and all that. And this Molly will not allow me like eat in peace. Anyway, I had to share with her. So after eating, I decided to take my bath and freshen up for the day. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know it's your girl Rose. How are you doing? I decided to put on makeup and look beautiful, just to do something different that day. On normal day, I'll just be at home and I will not really put any makeup on. But this day, I said, girl, you gotta glam up, okay? So I'm just walking you guys through my makeup. I put on my foundation and, started layering up. And as I was doing, you can see my mouth is moving. I was giving you guys very hot gist, but I think I decided to make that another video, or I don't really know what happened, but the video was really long. I just realized that I talk a lot. Oh my goodness, I do talk a lot, like seriously. So here I was giving you guys really hot gist, but I just decided to cut it out, and so that the video will be short, because by the time I realized it, then you know that this video was 40 minutes. Ha! Girl, you can talk, man. I don't even know what I was saying, funny enough. So I decided to trim it down, so that it will make sense. And why trimming it down? Of course, I reduced a lot of things. So this is me just giving you guys gist while making up and getting ready for the day. I've been thinking on my mind. So here I applied my setting powder, did a little dance because I could, did my brows just to look pink. Then I also shaped the other brow, just to look pink, like I said. Paused to receive my cake. The cake was so beautiful. I'm gonna put her handle here. I just took a break to go and receive. I was just updating you guys on how I've gotten the cake and all that. I did a little dance once again. Decided to round up my makeup quickly, putting on my blush, putting on my lipstick. Red is my color. Sprayed on my setting spray just to lock in everything, and that was it. Everything, just putting the finishing touches. Then decided to brush my wig just so that I will look, more like a lady. You know what I'm saying? So I put on my hair, brushed it, sorted it out on all sides to make sure that it was giving, and it was giving, if I do say so myself. So I decided to do my silly dance again. I was so happy on this day. I received so many gifts, like gifts that I didn't even expect. So I was excited. Here I was doing an outfit check, making sure that I could, dance neat. I was super excited. So just like doing my happy dance, hyping myself up, giving myself positive affirmations, like I was super duper happy. I think I said this is one of the best birthdays I've ever had. It was very small and intimate, but It was one of my best birthdays. Of course, I had to do my dance. Like, why not? Spend the rest of my day Netflixing and chilling, and just waiting for my husband to come back so that we'll cut up the cake and have fun. So you can see these are some of my gifts, just some. I got plenty gifts on this day. Like, I've gotten so many gifts. I got those wines from my husband. The cake was a gift from him too. Then when he was coming back, he got me chicken suya. Oh, so sweet. Then I got this beautiful bag from my sweet friend. I got so many gifts. I can't even put all the gifts I got here. Like, this was one of my best birthdays. Like, seriously, I was so happy. So I'm just showing you guys what the bag looked like. I love it. Anybody that knows me knows that I love purses so much. In short, that's basically all I ever carry, purses. So pardon me, looking like this. So I was already ready to go to bed. My husband came back very late in the evening, and I just said, since you're already here, let me cut my cake and take some pictures and all that. So hence the nightwear. So just ignore that and enjoy this video, okay? If you've not liked this video or subscribed, please do that, and don't make this your last time visiting this beautiful channel, okay? Thank you so much. So I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who celebrated with me on this beautiful day.
I celebrated my mom, being happy birthday to her, and my mommy she was eating her food, and my daddy was just coming back. Then I was watching Peppa Pig. Then we are now celebrating my mommy's birthday, and we are singing happy birthday to her. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm +1 today. Yeah, continue now. May the good love.
Wait, let's start from the beginning.
Yeah. We ended the night toasting to good health, long life, prosperity, and all the good things of life. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you. Great.